Battery is submerged on the 04 Mini Cooper. Not good at all. So I am going to vacuum out the water to see if I can get it. Okay, so here we are working on the 04 Mini Cooper to kind of get it started. And this right here is the culprits. So if you can see, that is a fuse that is in there, and this was submerged underwater. But thankfully for us, we have an extra one of these. Let's just go ahead and put that aside. And here we go. Now this is how it's supposed to look. And as you can see, there we go, that is the fuse that goes there. It's a 200 amp. So I'm going to take and put this one in instead of the other one. I just got to move a few things over, but this is kind of an idea. This fits on the side of the battery compartment, just clips down. There's another part goes in. You got your power cable that comes right here, and then you have your negative cable that comes right here from the battery. So that's basically what I'm going to be working on today, and hopefully we can get the 04 Mini started, because if I can't get it started, then I can't move the black Mini out. So that's what I'm going to be working on today, and I will update you shortly.